Hello everyone. Today we're going to analyze Etsy, a popular online marketplace where people come together to make, sell, buy, and collect unique items. In particular, we'll be focusing on whether it's a good idea to sell on Etsy. Let's dive in. Etsy is best known for offering a platform for creative entrepreneurs to sell their handcrafted, vintage, or unique factory-manufactured items. It's a global community of many millions. With Etsy, you can reach customers all over the world. Key features of Etsy include a personal storefront, tools to manage and promote your shop, and a secure transaction process. Etsy also provides a strong support network for sellers, including education and community programs. In terms of pricing, Etsy charges a listing fee of 0.20 per item, a 5% transaction fee on the sale price, including the shipping price you set, and a 3% plus 0.25 payment processing fee. Despite these costs, many find Etsy's global reach and built-in audience worth the expense. Ideal use cases for Etsy include artisans selling handmade crafts, vintage items, and unique factory-manufactured products. It's also great for hobbyists turning a passion into profit, or existing businesses looking to reach a new and large audience. One major advantage of selling on Etsy is its large, ready-made customer base who are searching for unique, creative products. Etsy also offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for sellers to set up and manage their shop. However, there are some disadvantages to selling on Etsy. The marketplace is highly competitive with millions of active sellers. Plus, the fees can add up, especially if you're selling lower-priced items. And, being a third-party platform, sellers have less control and customization compared to having your own website. So, is it good to sell on Etsy? It can be, especially if you're selling unique, creative products and need access to a large customer base. But be aware of the competition and fees. It's important to have a clear strategy to stand out and make your shop profitable. Key takeaways. Etsy is a popular online marketplace for unique items, with a large global customer base. It offers a user-friendly interface and strong seller support. However, sellers face high competition and fees and have less control compared to owning a website. In conclusion, Etsy can be a great platform for selling unique, creative items. It offers a large customer base and helpful tools for sellers. However, it does have its challenges, including high competition and fees. As with any business decision, it's important to weigh the pros and cons to see if Etsy is the right platform for you. And that's our analysis of Etsy. We hope this has given you a clearer understanding of what selling on Etsy involves and whether it's a good fit for your business. Thank you for watching. If you found this analysis useful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more thorough analyses. We appreciate your support. Until next time.